using Audacity and OBS to record Dazzle audio. Audacity is an amazing program that lets you record, edit, and export audio. If you want to just record the audio from a Dazzle device, there are some extra steps that you will need to take, though it is possible to do so. Audacity cannot decode the Dazzle's output directly, so we will need to use OBS as a translator. We don't need to be recording with OBS, Open Broadcast Software. I have set this up ahead of time because OBS likes to forget settings. I will take you through the steps that I took to set it up. So, the first thing that you will need to do is, whenever you have your Dazzle device ready to record, is to select your source that corresponds to the Dazzle device. Right-click it, go to Properties, and configure crossbar. My setup is a little iffy, so sometimes I have to close OBS and then reopen it and try again. So we're going to configure crossbar, and it should say video decoder out, video composite. Okay, it's confused. That's perfectly fine. We're going to change it to audio decoder out, and the audio line in will be blank. Sometimes it will say audio line in, so you just have to close out the program and start again. In this case, it's working. So I'm going to say audio line in, and then click apply. There'll be a spike as the audio starts being going through. Going to click OK. We're going to click OK. And there we have it. We are now capturing. Well, we're not recording yet. So now we're going to back to this. Go to Audacity. Going to close that out. Going to go to Windows WASPI. Is being then we're going to choose speakers, because that's where the audio is going at this point, to my headset. Stereo. It's going to be playing back whenever we play it back through the speakers. So we're going to start recording. And notice as I press to the right and to the left on my PlayStation 2 controller, you'll have sound. And there we have it. That is how to record just the audio of a Dazzle using Audacity. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please write them in. Please type them in the comment section down below. Have a good day. Bye-bye.